I've actually gone and I've opened up all three of these set files, set 1, 2, and 3 for the FXGoodway robot. In actual fact, set 3, there is no set 3, I would call it the USD CHF, and I like this because this is my FX book results. I've opened up all three, 1, 2, 3, all three of them are looking really good, and it's very important that we look at at as much detail as we possibly can. Hi there, my friend, Errol Muller here, and welcome to another video. In this specific video, we will be doing the FXGoodway ×2 review. I'm delving into as much detail as I possibly can in order to provide you with as much information as I possibly can to make an informed decision. It's important that you watching this video makes an informed decision. Whether you should get this robot or not, it's entirely up to you. I just need to provide you with as much information as I possibly can. Things for you to have a look at within this video. Make sure you watch this entire video. I'm going to share a few golden nuggets with you, things you have to look for and pay attention to when it comes to the FXGoodway, and things that you can apply when you look at any other forex trading robot. Now, I've opened up all three of the set files that I'm going to share with you just now, and then at the same time, if you are interested and you want to get access to the FXGoodway ×2 Forex Trading robot, you can head over to empire.chest. I am the owner and the founder of this business. I will actually leave a link in the description below this video to this specific page, the Forex Trading Robots page. And then what you want to do is you want to scroll all the way to the bottom. This is what the page looks like. You can see Forex. Scrolling down all the way to the bottom, you will get access to the FXGoodway ×2 Forex robot. Now, there's numerous other Forex robots for you to have a look at the same time, and on the top right hand side of your screen right now is a notification popping up where I have done numerous other Forex trading robot reviews for you to have a look at, and feel free to browse around on my YouTube channel. I've done numerous Forex trading robots. So let's get right into it. Before we continue, on your screen right now is a disclaimer. Please pause this video, read that disclaimer, and let's continue along. So on the FXGoodway ×2, so they provide you with three options that you can use the set files of set on, set off, etc. But the most important thing that I wanted to share with you was the actual My FX book results. That is very important. Secondly, I tried to have a look. One thing, or let's say the first golden nugget, very important, is you want to make sure that when trading with a Forex robot, it uses a stop loss. So either a hard set stop loss or a trailing stop, etc. So in volatile situations, if something happens in the market, you don't want to blow your account overnight. That is very important. So make sure there's a stop loss involved. And if you don't know, you can actually scroll all the way to the bottom, or in this case, you can actually just click on the Contact Us button. Now, I've opened up these three set files and I'm going to delve into them right now. I don't want to extend this video for too long. So here is the FXGoodway Euro USD set 1, the FXGoodway Euro USD set 2, and then they've brought in a new one, which is the FXGoodway USD CHF. Now, I'm going to do the review on just one of these, and I want to share with you the results quickly. And what I'm going to share with you in this video, you can basically apply to any other Forex trading robot that's got a My FX book account. You can do the very similar or kind of same analysis. Now, in this case, let's work with the FXGoodway Euro USD set 1. So first golden nugget, like I shared with you just now, make sure there's a stop loss involved. Thing number 2, very important, Forex trading robots does not like being traded on just a normal laptop or a normal PC. Make sure you make use of a very good Forex VPS service, virtual private server. If you don't know what it is, go Google it. I highly suggest you get yourself one of those. Okay, next thing is you want to make sure that when you open up the My FX book account, you look at the custom analysis. In this case, the custom analysis is not set, which is a good thing. That means that this specific developer or creator is not hiding any trading history from you, meaning whatever you're going to see now within this video is what is it is the history that is being shared with you. Nothing is hidden. Okay, so at the time of me shooting this video, this is what I could gather from the sales page of FXGoodway, the Euro USD set 1. And here we are, FXGoodway, Euro USD set 1. Track record is verified. Trading privileges is verified. General, click on the General tab. You can already see if you open an account with a broker, it's a 1 to 500 account. Leverage account that's going to be required for this specific forex trading robot, and the type, it is a real account, which is nice because this means that the forex owner or developer is actually putting their money where their mouth is. They are using real money invested in this forex robot. Okay, even if it's a demo account, not bad at all because it's still live charting, live charts. It just means that they are not trading trading live money. They're just using demo account money. In this case, they're using live money. And if you scroll down, they've made a deposit or total amount of deposits of $2,000. Okay, just a quick pattern interrupt. If you feel that forex trading is not for you and you want to build a long-term sustainable business online, a very successful sustainable business online in line with your passions, your goals, your dreams, so that you can have time freedom to do what you really want to do, and at the same time focus on your dreams and your passions by sharing that with others, then I highly suggest you head over to empiredigest.com, which will bring you to the homepage, this one right here. Click the show me how to make money and then just follow along. Okay, enough said about that. So let's continue with the review. Next, you can see that the total gain and absolute gain is 996%, which is absolutely phenomenal. It's got a current monthly growth of about 5.9%, which is absolutely phenomenal as well. It's quite good. Updated about 6 hours ago. Next, the drawdown. At this point in time, looking at it, the drawdown is quite high. It's at 56.56%. You want to keep the drawdown as low as possible. Okay, if you have any questions, leave me a comment below this video, and at the same time, please give this video a like. I want this to rank as quickly as possible, as high as possible within the search engine, in order to help more individuals like yourself to make an informed decision. It's important that I share as much information with people as possible, so please give this video a like. Now, on the drawdown, clicking on the drawdown tab, we can see that within this time period, which was the year 2021, that's where it was quite a rather high amount of drawdown percentage, and then all of a sudden it started coming down to 15%, here's a 13%. So what does drawdown mean? Drawdown is basically risk. The higher the risk of you losing your account or blowing your account. You do not want to risk 56% of your account within one trade. That's basically what it is. So the lower the drawdown, the better. It's the risk of the account, the risk of the forex robot. Okay, so the drawdown has actually come down quite a lot, which is a good thing. So what most of these developers do is they actually lower the risk in order. So my tip from me to you is, or a tip from me to you is, rather go for lower returns with consistency. Don't go for these high returns and then high losses and all these spikes. Rather go for consistency. And then you start thinking of compound interest, monthly compound interest, not per annum, not annually. Think of monthly, because these percentages are monthly returns. So if you know what compound interest is, and if you don't know, go Google it, then you will understand the power of these types of percentage growths per month on a compounded interest. Okay, next thing to look at is the growth of the chart is actually looking very good. The light orange line is the equity at this point in time when the robot was trading. This is how the actual balance of the account started moving away from what is currently the growth of the account. So you want this light orange line to be as close as possible to the dark orange line. You don't want these massive down spikes, because that is just going to add up to the risk of the account and add to the drawdown percentage. So in this case, it's looking really good, and it's looking as if it's recovered and lowered the risk. Now, looking at the balance, that's the balance of the account, same thing. Here's the profit, and then the drawdown. I just explained the drawdown with you. Next thing that you want to have a look at is so let's go back to the deposits. How do you determine with regards to deposit, how much money they've actually deposited at once or during the trade. So just a tip, some of the developers or forex trading sellers will basically, if the robot makes a huge loss, they will go and they will make a massive deposit to show as if the robot recovered the trade. In actual fact, it never recovered the trade, they've just made a huge deposit. Okay, I'm not saying this is what FXGoodway is doing, I'm just saying it's an example because I've seen it out there. I've been doing this for 9 years. I've started trading in the year 2014 and 2015 it became more serious. Trading, affiliate marketing, making money online, a lot of things based on online. And I've sold my own forex trading product. I've traded with forex trading robots. I no longer trade forex trading robots. I invest in other traders trading my money for me, PAM account trading, copy trading, forex investments, etc. Although forex trading robots is a very lucrative, good way of making money and building like yourself a portfolio. I'm not saying this is no financial advice, no investment advice. I'm just basically providing you with information based on my own personal review and my own personal life. Okay, so back to the deposits. How do you determine this was a 2000 initial deposit? So you go down to history and then you scroll down to the very last page, which is page 42, and scrolling back up, you will see that they've made the deposit of $2,000 when the account started. So when did the account start? If we go back to the general tab, the account started trading the year 2020, June 25, and they've added the account in December 8th, the year 2020, which is good. And it will track the data since the account started trading, which was June 25, the year 2020. So that is how you determine the deposits. Next, you want to have a look at the summary to make sure it is trading the Euro USD. In this case, you can see it's trading the Euro USD, the amount of pips, the amount of profit, etc. You can have a look at this, the won percentage, the lost percentage, and then that's just how you see a summary. Some forex robots will trade numerous other forex pairs. Okay, next is the duration of trade. In this case, majority of the trades opens and closes within 7 days, which means you're going to pay overnight swaps. If you don't know what overnight forex trading swaps is, do Google that. I don't want to delve into that right now and make this video extra long. Then there's a few trades that are carrying on for 15 days, 20 days, 22 days, and one trade at about 26 days. So these trades is quite long. I prefer a forex robot that opens and closes the trades within 1 to 2 days, because I don't really want to pay overnight swaps, because the longer the trade stays open, the more money is coming straight out of your profit. And if that trade ends in a loss, it is a loss on a loss. Okay, next what you want to look at is open trades and open orders. They won't share it with us. Not all of the robots do, because then people start copying the trades and copy the trading style. Okay, so next, very important, is the monthly analytics. When, how long, what is the history of this forex trading robot? How long has it been trading? Because I want to make sure that it went through volatile situations, ups and downs within the market. My personal feel before I invest in a forex trading robot or my personal opinion, and I've done this before, is I look at trading history of anywhere from 3 years to 5 years and upwards. That is what I look for. In this case, this robot's going for a full on 2 years, just over 3 years June, so about 3.5 years. Call it 3.5 years that this forex trading robot has been trading for. So not bad at all. The growth is looking good. The drawdown is looking good. Looks like they've lowered the risk. How do you determine if they've lowered the risk or not? Look at when they started trading. Look at these growths: 36%, 16, 16, 25, 8%. The year 2021, 10, 6. As you can see, it's starting to come down slightly lower: 2%, 2%, 3%, 4%. The year 2022, same: 8, 5, 7. 857, and then the year 2023, look at these returns, a lot lower: 2, 3, 2, 1, 8, 3. I would rather take these percentages over these percentages right here. Reason being, I would rather go for low risk, consistency over time, being profitable over time. That is very important, and it's got a good track record. So from me, my side, I'd give this video a thumbs up. FXGoodway, it is a good Forex robot from what I can tell based on the analysis, and that is on the FXGoodway homepage. So whether you want to get this Forex robot or not, it is entirely up to you. The decision is with you. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you. May you watching this video have a blessed, wonderful, happy, healthy life going forward, and I will definitely see you in my next video. Enjoy.